Mtazamaji wangu, Rais William Samoei Ruto ameweza kukumbana na pigo kubwa baada ya viongozi kutoka Mount Kenya ama Mlima kuweza kuamua hivi. Kabla nikujulishe na kuomba unipe sekunde moja peke yake uweze kujiunga nasi kwa kubonyeza alama nyekundu ya subscription iliyoko chini ya hii video, like video na weki alama ya notifications ikiwa on. Ruto woken up to morning shock as UDA RS threaten to do this. Kwani nini hasa ambacho hawa viongozi wa UDA wametishia kuweza kufanya? Supporters of President William Ruto from the Nyanza region have vowed to quit the ruling party if their demands are not fulfilled. The politicians are asking for former ICT CS Eliud Owalo to be reappointed to the reorganized government. According to a Taifa Leo story, President William Ruto made his cabinet secretary and attorney general nominations during a press conference while being photographed at Nairobi State House. Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua pia alikuwa yale maeneo. This comes after Ruto's appointment of 6 of his former CS members was criticized. A wave of discontent has swept the nation following President Ruto's recent appointment of well-known religious figures to cabinet secretaries' positions. The critics claim that the president's measures have not only failed to rev up the public expectation, but have also made the ongoing protest worse. Analysts now see a tinge of discomfort in Raila's new position, which coincides with the two standing alongside President Ruto a few days ago when he read around the nation on the need of communication in an apparent attempt to win back the Gen Z's trust and yield to their demands. Raila listed at least 6 major issues that require immediate investigation, and these concerns include compensation of all victims of police violence and crossing all cases related to waandamanaji ambao waliweza kushikwa wakati wa maandamano. Ruto sasa ana taabu kubwa wa kushindwa nini hasa ambacho atafanya, ikiwa kwamba watu wa Nyanza wanataka ampe Eliud Owalo kazi na watu wa Mlima Kenya wamezidi kutishia kujiondoa katika chama chake cha UDA.